Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before continuing, like us or like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says solve for x in x raised to the power of 1 all over 4 plus x raised to the power of 1 all over 2 equals to 1. So in that case, we are going to find the solution for x. So we divide our board into 2. We are given x to the power of 1 all over 4 plus x to the power of 1 all over 2 equals to 1. So this is a radical equation and all what we are looking for is to solve for the value of x. So in this case, we'll say let m equals to x to the power of 1 all over 4. So in this case, if we square m, say m squared equals to x 1 all over 4 squared. So this is the same thing as x raised to the power of 1 all over 4 times 2. 2 will cancel here 1, 2 will cancel here 2. So we are now left with m squared will be x raised to the power of 1 all over 2. We have m as x to the power of 1 all over 4 and m squared, which is equals to x to the power of 1 all over 2. So in this case, we are going to substitute the value of m and m squared in this equation. So here we have x to the power of 1 all over 4 as m. So we have the m plus, so for this one we have m squared. So we have m squared equals to 1. So we can rearrange this by transposing 1 into this other side. It becomes m plus m squared minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, we can rearrange this. So this will become m squared plus m minus 1 equals to 0. You can see that the highest power of m here is 2, which has turned out to become a quadratic equation. So we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of m. In that case, we are using m equals to minus b plus or minus square root of minus b. No, square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here the parameters of a, b, c will be given as a equals to 1. Then b equals to, we have the value of b as 1 and the value of c, which is constant, equals to minus 1. So c is minus 1. So substituting that parameters into this equation, we have our m equals to, where we have minus b, which is minus 1, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 1 squared minus 4. Our a is 1, then our c is minus 1, all over 2 times 1, which is a equals to 1. So in this case, our m equals to minus 1 plus or minus, then you have square root of 1 minus, because 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times minus 1 will become plus 4. All over 2 times 1, we have 2. So in this case, our m equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So this is the value of m on this equation. So here, the value of m in this equation has two solutions, where we have m1 as minus 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2, or we have minus 1 minus square root of 5 all over 2. So this is for m2. So, and this is for m1. So we recall that we said m squared equals to x raised to the power of 1 all over 2, and we are looking for the value of x. So in this case, our m equals to x raised to the power of 4. So they recall that when we have m equals to x raised to the power of 1 all over 4. So in that case, for us to make x the subject of this expression, we are going to multiply by the power of 4. So it's going to be m raised to the power of 4 equals to x raised to the power of 1 all over 4 times 4. So in this case, 4 will cancel here 1 and 4 will cancel here 1. So we are now left with, so we need to clean this. So now here we are now left with, therefore our m4, m raised to the power of 4 equals to, here it has cancelled out, so turn out to become x, because we are looking for the value of x. X here is m raised to the power of 4. Therefore, x can also be written as m raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 2. So, because when we multiply this, it will give us this. So, we are going to substitute the value of m, because we have two values of m. This is for m1 and this is for m2. Into where we have this for half, for us to have the value of x. So in that case, we have the value of m for m1 equals to minus 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. So we are saying that for the value of x to be known, m must be squared 2 times. So we have to square this. So this will become m squared. That is, for the first one, will become minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2 times minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So this is for the first one. So now, if we expand this, it will give us minus 1 times minus 1. Therefore, m squared equals to 1. Then this time this will be minus root 5. Then we have root 5 times minus 1, we have minus root 5. Then root 5 times root 5 will give us plus root 25. So all over 2 times 2, we have 4. Therefore, our m squared equals to, that is m1 squared equals to 1. This is 5. So 1 plus 5 will give us 6. Then we have minus root 5 minus root 5 will give us minus 2 root 5 all over 4. So in this case, 2 can cancel here 2, 2 can cancel here 3, 2 can cancel here 1. We are now left with 3 minus root 5 all over 2. This is for m squared. So in this case, we say that we can square it 2 times. So the second one, where we have m1 squared equals to 3 minus root 5 all over 2 all squared. So we are going to expand this. Expanding this will give us, we need to clean this for space. So here, so we are going to expand this. So it's going to be m1 squared all squared equals to 3 minus root 5 all over 2, 3 minus root 5 all over 2. So that is what this means. So here, expanding this, we have m1 squared all squared will be 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then minus root 5 times 3 will give us minus 3 root 5. Then we have, okay, here times 3 may give us this. Then minus root 5 times 3 will give us minus 3 root 5. Minus 3 root 5. Then we have minus root 5 times minus root 5 will give us plus root 25 all over 2 times 2, we have 4. So in this case, our m1 squared will give us, this is 9 and this is root 25 is 5. Then 5 plus 9 will give us 14. Then we have this minus 6 root 5 all over 4. So in this case, 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 7, 2 cancel here 3. So we are now left with m1 squared will be 7 minus 3 root 5 all over 2. So this is what we have. I don't want to clean it because we are going to make use of this. So by writing this way, this for m1 will give us, therefore our m1 squared can be written as 1 all over 2 into 7 minus 3 root 5. So this is what we can write for m1 squared, where we have, we were told that our x equals to m squared, because for the value of m, we had 2 solutions. The first one is what we are working on, and the second m is minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. So this is the first solution for m1 squared, which is for x, that is for x1. So in that case, we are going to work on the second one. So we need to clean this. So we have, so this is what we are working on. So for the second one, we have m, that should be m2 squared. We are going to work with the first one. M2 squared will be equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2 squared. So need to expand this. So this will become minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2, then into minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. So expanding this will give us, this is for m2 squared. So expanding this, minus 1 times minus 1 will give us 1. Then minus 1 times minus root 5 will give us plus root 5. Then minus root 5 times minus 1 will give us plus root 5. Then minus root 5 times minus root 5 will give us plus root 25 all over 2 times 2, which is 4. So in this case, we have 1 here and we have 5 here. So our m2 raised power of 2 will give us 1 plus, this is 5, will give us 6. Then we have plus 2 root 5 all over 4. So in this case, 2 will cancel here 2, 2 will cancel here 3, 2 will cancel here 1. So this will become 3 plus root 5 all over 2. That is for m squared. Then for m2 squared will be 3 plus 5 all over 2, all raised to the power of 2. So for us to expand this will become 3 plus 5, okay, root 5, sorry, 3 plus root 5 all over 2 into 3 plus root 5 all over 2. So for us to expand this, for us to have the second value of m, so we need to clean this. So our m1 squared equals to 1 all over 2 into 7 minus 3 root 5. So we have this. So for us to clean this, we need more space. So that is what we have. So for us to expand this, so we have for m2 squared, which is equals to x, as we have here, will be expansion of this. So this will become 3 times 3. We have 9. Then we have 3 times root 5. We have plus 3 root 5. Then we have root 5 times 3. We have plus 3 root 5. Then we have root 5 times root 5. We have plus root 25 all over 2 times 2, which is 4. So in this case, we can, this is 5. This is the same thing as 9 plus 6 root 5 plus 5 plus root 25 is 5 all over 4. So here m2 squared, which is the value of x, equals to 9 plus 5, we have 14 plus 6 root 5 all over 4. 2 cancel here 2, 2 cancel here 7, then 2 cancel here 3. Therefore, our m2 squared will be 7 plus 3 root 5 all over 2. Or you can write it as 1 all over 2 into 7 plus 3 root 5. So therefore, for m1, which is for x1, that we have that m1 squared equals to 1 all over 2 into 7 minus 3 root 5. Then for m2, which is for the value of x2, equals to 1 all over 2 into 7 plus 3 root 5. So these are the two values of x1 and x2 that satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.